Maximum stance flexion provides enhanced support for walking with stance flexion. It is only enabled if the value for early stance phase support is greater than 0. The knee joint will lock at a set angle to avoid excessive knee flexion during loading response, and gives the user a secure feeling during stance flexion. If the flexion angle is too small, the user will feel a hard stop while the knee is flexing during loading response. Increase the angle step by step until the user feels no restriction during stance flexion movement, but still feels sufficient support. If the maximum of 12 degrees is too restricting for the user, the locking angle can be disabled by setting the early stance phase support value to 0. In this case, the knee joint provides a high level of support, but there will not be a lock at any angle during loading response.